A1 quality in-room hotel safes, with their easy installation, maintenance, and management features, have become a popular safe in the hospitality industry. Designed with the traveling guest in mind, it can adequately secure laptop computers, cameras, jewelry, and other valuables in the most user-friendly electronic credit card, hotel, and residential safe made. A1 quality hotel safes feature heavy-duty steel construction, convenient motorized locking system incorporating the latest technology, easy to read large LED display lets you know the status of the safe, 4-digit combination, standard hotel room configuration, customer sets new combination every time the safe is used, reliable ADA approved keypad, electronic override can be set securely by security personnel. Low battery warning, lockout penalty if the combination is entered wrong. The safe will lock up for 15 minutes, frustrating would-be burglars. Spacious interior fits most laptop computers. Powder-coated interior and exterior finish. Also including override keys, A1 Quality Hotel Safes. On sale now at a1qualitysafe.com.